In this presentation, we have to discuss about the functioning of RS flip-flop using NOR logic. For that, first of all, we should know the functioning of an NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of OR and NOT gate. In the case of NOR gate, if both the inputs are low, the output is high. But in all other cases, the output is low. If A equal to 1, B equal to 0, output is 0. If A equal to 0, then B equal to 1, the output is 0. If both the inputs are high, A and B are high, then the output is 0. Using this NOR logic, we have to describe the functioning of RS flip-flop. For that, consider the first case, case 1, R is equal to 1, S equal to 0. If you put R equal to 1, now we have to use the functioning of NOR logic. If any one of the input is high, the output is low. So the value of Q is equal to 0. Then the Q output is fed as an input of the second NOR gate, and another input of the second NOR gate, S equal to 0. Here the value of Q equal to 0, which is one input, and another input we have given is 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 per 1. So the output of Q bar is equal to 1. Under this condition, the flip-flop is in the reset state. Once again, I am repeating this operation. I am giving the value of R equal to 1, S equal to 0. Take this first NOR gate, R equal to 1. If R equal to 1, we have to use our NOR logic. If any one of the input given to a NOR gate is high, output is low. So the value of Q is 0. Then Q input is fed to an input of the second NOR gate, and another input is 0, S equal to 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 bar 1. So Q bar is equal to 1. If Q bar equal to 1 and Q equal to 0, the flip-flop is said to be in the state of reset. This is case 1. Then case 2. If both the inputs are 0, R equal to 0, S equal to 0, see here R equal to 0 is one input, and at this stage another input is Q bar. In the previous case, the value of Q bar is equal to 1. So the 1 is fed to an input of the first NOR gate. If any one of the input is high, the output is low. The value of Q is equal to low. That means Q equal to 0. Then this Q is fed to the second NOR gate as an input. Here the value of Q is 0, and already the value of S is 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 per 1. So Q bar is equal to 1. This is the condition of no change or memory, which means that the previous state is maintained without any change. So R equal to 0, S equal to 0 implies that no change state. No change means previous data is stored. That is called memory. Say the value of Q equal to 0, Q bar is equal to 1. The previous data is maintained as such, so that we are calling this one as no change condition. Now go to our third case. If S equal to 1, S equal to 1 and R equal to 0, S equal to 1, R equal to 0. Now consider this case. Now take the second NOR gate. If any one of the input is high, the output is low. So the value of Q bar is equal to 0. This 0 is given as an input. If you think about the first NOR gate, 0, 0. If both the inputs are low, the output That is the logic of NOR. So the value of Q is 1. Under this condition, the flip-flop is in the set status. It is set status. Because Q is 1, Q bar is 0. This is case 3. And we have to go for the fourth case. Here S equal to 1 and R equal to 1. Both the inputs are high. Both the inputs are high means, if you think about the second OR gate, if any one of the input is high, automatically the output should be low. So Q bar is equal to 0. If you go to the first OR gate, if any one of the input is high, according to NOR logic, the output should be low. So the value of Q is also 0. But in our RS flip-flop, the one output should be the complement of the other. But here both the outputs are having the same value, which is not allowed. So this condition is called not allowed condition. If both the inputs are high, the condition is stated as not allowed. Now we can create a truth table for this RS flip-flop. R, S, Q, Q bar, then comment. R equal to 1, S equal to 0, then this Q equal to 0, Q bar 1. This is reset. Then both are 0. Then Q equal to 0, Q bar 1. There is no change. Then R equal to 0, S equal to 1, Q equal to 1, Q bar 0. State. Both the inputs are high. It is not allowed. That's all about the functioning of RS flip-flop using NOR logic. Thank you.